Good evening, kids. Welcome to the Abacus classes. Our today's topic is Beat 6. So, let's start. Good evening, students. Welcome back. I hope you all are safe at home. So, stay home, stay safe. Today, you are welcome to my Abacus classes. As you know that this is your Abacus class. And today, we will learn a new thing, means our today's topic. But before start करने से पहले मैं आपको कुछ previous topics की knowledge दूंगी. So, previously in our abacus class, you have learned beats from 1 to 5. Students, those who have watched my previous videos, they are well known with beats 1 to 5. जिन्होंने मेरी पुरानी वीडियोस देखी हैं उन्हें पता होगा बीट 1 to 5 कैसे बनाई जाती है. So, this is beat 1. Very nice, you know very well. This is beat 2. See, 1, 2. You can count like this. One, two, three. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the last one, which is 5. This is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. Now students, those who have watched my previous videos, they know this very well. जिन्होंने मेरी पुरानी वीडियोस देखी हैं उनको ये बीट्स बनानी आती हैं. Now those who have missed my videos, just I am telling you this thing again. See, this is beat 1. See, 1. Now this, see, 1, 2. How you count? 1, 2. So this is beat 2. Now this is 1, 2, 3. So this is beat 3. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is beat 4. Now see what is the difference between this beat and this beat. इस beat में और इस beat में क्या difference है, क्या अंतर है? See, can you see this line? ये लाइन देखी आपने? ये इसमें भी देखो ये लाइन है. Now see, this beat is below the line. ये beat इस लाइन के नीचे है. This beat is above the line. ये beat लाइन के ऊपर है. So just remember kids, the beat which is below the line, जो लाइन के नीचे होती है वो छोटी होती है, and that beat is 1. The beat which is above the line, जो लाइन के ऊपर होती है वो बड़ी हो जाती है, and that beat is 5. See, जो लाइन के नीचे है वो छोटी है, and that is 1. जो लाइन के ऊपर है वो बड़ी है, and that is beat 5. This way you can remember this. Can you see it clearly, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These beats I have explained you in my previous videos, and I hope that you have drawn these beats in your abacus fair notebook. Now one more beat was there. This. See, any beat is there? No. So nothing means 0. So I have told you 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So students, now you have learned these beats. Now we will go for our next topic today in this abacus class. So kids, just make sure that you watch every single video and stay tuned to learn more. Some students can find difficulty in making the beats. Students, one more time I am telling you how to make a beat. See, first of all, make a V. You make V ना? V कैसे बनता है? V for van ऐसे बनता है, तो V को क्या करना है? ऐसे कर देना है. Just tilt it. V. Then V. See how easily beat can be made. V, 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 and you can easily make this beat. Now today I will tell you how to make beat 6. Today we will do beat 6. Now see, first of all we will make beat 5. Where I will make the beat? Below the line or above the line? Line के नीचे या line के ऊपर? Yes, above the line. This is beat 5. Now we have to make beat 6. अब हमें क्या बनानी है? 6 beat बनानी है. So see, students. How many trees are there? कितने trees हैं? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. अब now I want 6. मुझे 6 trees चाहिए. तो how many trees I want more? मुझे कितने और trees चाहिए? 1 tree more. And now it is, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 trees I am having, 1 I taken, so what I will get? 6. See, this is 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I will add one more, then how many it becomes? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 fingers. So here for 6, first of all I will make 5. Now what I will make? 1. See how we make 1? This is 1. So we will make 1. And this is 6. See, 5, count 5, 6. Now don't count it 2. See, 1, 2. In beat 2, all the beads are below the line. 2 beads में सारी beads line के नीचे होती हैं. See, here is also 2 beads. Here is also 2 beads. So don't get confused, kids. These two beads are below the line. ये दोनों beads line के नीचे हैं. But here one bead is up and one bead is down. एक bead line के ऊपर है. See, एक bead line के ऊपर है और एक bead line के नीचे. One bead is above the line and one bead is below the line. So this is 6. Now how you will count? You know what I have told you. A bead which goes above the line, it becomes bigger and it becomes 5. So this is 5 and this is 1. So 5 and 1, 6. 5, 6. This way you will count. You will not count this bead 1 because it is above the line. So 5, 6. Now students, today what we have learnt? We have learnt bead 6 in abacus. Now I will tell you this bead in abacus tool. See, this is your abacus tool. And this is the midline. Midline means बीच की line. I have not drawn other lines because we don't need them. We only need this midline. हमें बस ये midline चाहिए. Now see how we will draw 6. This is 6. 5, 6, 5, 6. Okay, I've just drawn this tool and told you here for your knowledge. With this video students, I have given you one practice PDF. In that practice PDF, I have given you abacus homework. In that you have to make bead 6 10 times. So kids, try to make bead 6 10 times in your abacus notebook. This you have to make. And don't write this. You just have to make this. आपको भी 6 बनानी है in your abacus notebook. I have made this to just explain you. You just have to draw this bead 6 in your abacus. You have to make this in your abacus notebook. How many times? 10 times. So that you will learn this. I hope students you like my today's video and make sure you watch every single video. Stay tuned to learn more. Thank you. Practice the bead 6 at home. Like and subscribe. Thank you.